What them a go do ya now? New link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers, man. Big up on yourself, and you don't know the thing. They don't know it's a New Link there, and from New Link Production, and we say attack. Well, people, you don't know, so we cover, you understand, the start this morning of Hitler, you know what I mean, and the madness we him create and thing, and how it all started with him. And we tell us so we never have no fullest on the other youth, Terminator boy, who was also one of the most wanted alongside Hitler, among the 6 men who was cut down yesterday, Sunday, in Clarendon. Well, now that I do get some info on Terminator boy, people, I can't left him so dry and no give on it. So now New Link I go attack it and I go blast it. Oh my world, oh my precious New Link. Get into this. Alright. A woman who claims to be a childhood friend of Zemar Nelson, one of 6 men gunned down Sunday by members of the security forces, is bemoaning the fate of a man she said once appeared to have a bright future. The 24-year-old Nelson, aka Terminator Boy, was one of Clarendon's most wanted and had been on the police radar for murder and shooting with intent. However, years before he gained notoriety in Clarendon for gunslinging, Nelson was allegedly a standout student in mathematics at one of the parish top learning institutions, Clarendon College. John Star, big school, you know. I know a lot of people won't say rest in peace because the bad they don't know the good, the woman said in a post to social media. I will pay respects to you, to the Zemar I know, to the boy who taught me maths in high school, who taught me accounts. In the heartfelt post, she went on to suggest that inadequate guidance as a child led to Nelson choosing a life of crime. No one knows the life you went through as a kid, and I am happy you confided in me to tell me your story. While I sad you chose the wrong road to go down, I wish you had the chance to go to college. I wish you had a better guidance because you had such a brain and you that even our teachers know about, she said. The post has been liked by dozens of people, but it has also sparked backlash against the woman. One question: did you at any time try to help your best friend out of the situation? Did you at any time tell him that he could be killed by the lawmen or his cronies? One person asked in reply to the post. At least 2 persons accused the woman of protecting a criminal. She was part of the problem. She knew he was a wanted man and did not do anything to help the problem. Maybe if you report him, he will be in jail and not dead, one person charged. Another person added, women like these are part of the problem. You are shielding these thugs for what? Nelson and 5 other men were shot and killed by members of the security forces in Effortville, Maypen, Clarendon on Sunday morning. The men were cut down during a joint police-military operation in the volatile community that involved a shootout which lasted for about an hour. Law enforcement sources indicated only 2 of the deceased have so far been identified. Nelson, a 25-year-old, Leon James, otherwise called Hitler, who was also on the Clarendon's most wanted list. Chano. Wow, people. That one heavy. It's sad, Zine, because most of them thing I know people, and most of the time, these criminal boy, if you tell her, they was good in school for real. But the road of them choose people, no matter what they have to choose it. I was brilliant in school though. You know what I mean? But honestly, I never really, we do some little things in school, meaning where we not fully go classes and thing and, manage to get certain things we want. But in the end, people, we still never met that stop way. Zine still never chose the road of criminality. Still never chose the road of saying I go kill people of badness. No. So in the end, people, we understand, yes, there was a good part, and just like I cover the Hitler part where I'm telling it coming from his father, death and everything. Zine, this is a different story now, because this someone I say about the maths and the struggle where him go through. But what could have the struggle been go through? He never got to college. So I say because him not got to college, that lead him up to this. No man, Terminator boy. Remember, I know people are telling about his father, he got his name from his dad. Zine, but in the end, Terminator boy, You chose a wrong road, brother, and it chose it cause of life. And as according to what other people are saying when this woman met these post people, some of them really have a point, especially the person who said, maybe if you did report him and in that they are jail, you would have alive right now instead of being dead. Because if you know that he was on the Clarendon most wanted list, then do something. Unless you're talking about years ago, we not see him back for this long time, and then I make the post and I know nothing about him. But if you say him tell her the story, that means he must tell her the story, then say such and such and him go do this and do that. Come on, you know what I mean? So in the end, boy, Terminator boy, you chose a wrong road, brother, and it caused a life. You know what I mean? It caused a life. Just imagine other people who you kill and this and that and the pain those family have to go through. You get me at the same pain, them I feel just like this woman who say my your friend and she know the pain and she know the good, you know. But for every bad man who dead people, every people who dead, they always have a good part in them life, no matter what. Every killer where you see out there, they have something good that they done. You know what I mean? Even if you take milk and give one dog out there, so, or if you take a piece of bread and give one little cat out there, so, they do something good. You know? Not everything then do bad. So you always got to hear something good about it. That's why I say, I love to do a second version of any story I cover people. And I always, once I get any information, I always just try to dig and just give it to the people so they can understand this thing to the fullest. So you don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is New Link from New Link Production, the people. And we say attacking. And I just loving the people and respect. And just stay blessed people and stay positive and keep it going, keep it flowing. Peace out and respect. Attack. Big up. I'm out.